Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can create a newsletter website using wix.com, your own website. Okay, first you have to log in or sign up to the wix.com. Then you can just click at here and you can go to my sites, or you can just click here. It will come like page like this. Then you have to click on this button, create new site. Then here is asking for your which type of website it is be. We are making a news letter. It's came here first. We can select this college new newsletters. We can just click on next. Then we have to name our business. I am naming as business as sample. Just by clicking it next, we can add here two more things like chats, forums, and blog and other things. I'm not adding chat. On the site we can add a Insta feedback, then we can add groups, then we can add a video, and we can add a forum, and you can add a portfolio also. You can add events, booking, online store, and many others. Then you have to click on next. Now Wix is asking you for to build a website, to create a custom build, or you can select a template. Now I'm selecting here a template. Here some templates have came. I am liking this template because it is best matched to my choice. I can just click on edit. So guys, our editor is now turned on. And we can edit now. Let's edit. We have to wait for some time. Then process is done. Then we can edit. So the process is done. Let's edit our site. As you can see, our site is coming. First you have to click on this button to zoom in. Then it's zoomed in. First we will edit our name. Let us write as, first I have removed this. To add and text, you have to click here, add elements. Then you have to click here, heading 1. You can write on this heading, as well as you can edit this also. I'm just editing it. Let us edit text. I am writing baby. I am writing here as BBA news or BBAS news. Whatever I want to add, I'm just adding BBS news. Let us edit this to here. Let's make it big. Make this text big. We can just edit text. We can make the font size to this much is big. We can just do it this much. This much is okay. We can make like this. We have to do here line parallel to our logo, parallel to our name of our news. Then it's done. Header is done. Now let's edit this image. Let's change this image. Click on quick edit. You can change here a background. Let us change the background first. Let us add a good background. We can add this background. This is looking good. Or we can add this. No, this. We can add this type of background according to the theme of the news that we are showing today. We can add some type of news. Let us add this only building. This building is looking good. Here the background strip background is edited. Let us go next. Next is our area where the latest news has been shown. Let's edit this. To edit this, you have to first zoom it, then you will see clearly. Then you have to click on this. Let us change background of it. You can select background from here. Let us choose this. This is looking good. And then we can manage this post also. Let us manage. Click on manage. Another tab will open. Another box will open. Here you can manage the post. To manage the post, here some post will come. We have to add and subtract the post. We can create our custom post. When we click the post, you can just wait. You can create a new post. Let us create a new post. I am writing a title, like a catchy title. Meta, let us write. Meta is future. Then we can just add an image to our post by clicking this plus button. Then you have to go like this. You can search on media. I am writing here Meta. Let the Wix will search. Then we have to click the best image that you can find. This image is looking good. In this click, and we can add to the page. Here the image is added. Now next we can write. After clicking this, like down, we can just click enter. We can click enter or next, and we can write here a post. Like I'm writing here hello. You can write whatever the news is. Then you have to click on this save button. Then you can click on this publish button, and the post will be updated on your site. You have to close this dashboard. Then you can wait till it updated. You can wait. Look like you don't have to push. You can just click here and click manage post. We can just click here. Go to advanced settings, and we can just publish. We can add more posts, then it will show like 2-3 posts together. Okay, then we go to bottom. We can click this button to go to top. Now we can edit our buttons, like social buttons. To edit this, you can just click here. You can click on this set social buttons, and then you can edit your link. You can just customize your link here. You can write whatever you want, whatever link you have to add, just add. Let's go to the next step. You can how to edit menus. You can just click on this pages and menus, and after clicking this, you can just click on this blog post. You can edit this blocks. To edit blocks, you can just go to this blocks page, group page, or group. Here is group page. Here is sample group page. You can edit, or you can create a new group. To create a new group, you have to click to manage group. Then you can create a new group. Then it will show on your site. You can create the group for. We can creating a group for our fan club or a fan base. We can create like a news of future. We can just add a cover page also. Let us add meta photo in the cover page. You can add whatever you want. You can upload from your desktop also by clicking here. upload image. I am adding this image, just plugging this image. You can add, simply click here, add to page. Here it is added. You can just click on this create group. By clicking it, the group is created, future name. You can just cut it. You can wait for some time, it will come. Yes, it's updated now. As you can see, this is coming. Let us now see the previous page. Back of it, let's go to group option. As we can see, it is our groups. It's saying my group, group future, and a sample group. You can create more groups by clicking on manage group and create a new group. To edit this social bar button, you have to click this. To click here, then you have to set a social link. By clicking here, you can edit your social link, and by clicking here add section, you can add sections whatever you want. Just if I want to add a section of welcome to a site, we can add. Let us go to main page. As to menu site, let us go to home. The main page, we can add here a welcome to our viewers. We can add here, from here we can add welcome. By clicking here, you can add welcome. Here is new section is added, welcome. As you can see, welcome is done. We can, by double clicking it, you can edit this. You can add it like hello guys, and just like hello guys, or you can write whatever you want to your new site. You can edit more. You can create a post by just going to a dashboard or clicking here for here, or you can just click on this button. Then you have to click on this, like all news. Clicking on news, here is our post that is showing. When we will add more posts, then it will show on your home page also. To add more posts, you can just click on this manage post button. Then it will load for some time. Then you have to click here, this overview. Then you have to click on this button, post. Then you have to wait for some time. Then you have to click on this, create a project. Just click a new project. Like I am adding like Apple iPhone. Writing just Apple iPhone. You can write anything. Apple iPhone. You can write Apple iPhone. I'm writing hello. You can just add an image also if you want. Like I'm adding this image at the top because it looks good. Whenever we'll see first image, it will be a good impression to them. Apple iPhones, just we can click like Apple iPhones. Oh, it's showing here Apples. Let's search as iPhones. The spelling is wrong. Then just click here iPhone. You can just add this photo. If you want to add another photo, you can add. I am adding this photo. Just add the photo. You can crop also, or you can just, if you want to make a small photo, you have to just drag. You have to just click on this image, then you have to go up, then you have to do image, edit image. Here you can just crop the image. I am doing till this. You can do save. Then you can see this image is looking like this. We can do like full width, or we can do this or this. Let us make to this. This is looking good. Then we have to click on this button, publish. It will auto save. Then you have to click on publish. Then you have to close this, wait for some time, it will be updated. Here you can see 2 posts have been created. Now how to live your site? First you have to click on this save button. Then here it is asking for site name. I am writing like BBAS news as my URL. Then you have to click on this, save and continue. Then it will load for some time. It came in, you will click on done. Then you have to click on this button, publish. Then wait for some time. Then it will be created. You have to click now next to this view site. It will show your site. Like we have created this type of site, as you can see. Here we have entered like welcome button. You can like do you can do you can click here. All buttons are working. You can click on all news. We have created this type, don't two news. It will look like this. You can just click. You can just see the news is here, and the recent post you can see. If you create more posts, it will come to automatically to add to your home. Add to home, just like check back, coming soon, coming soon. Okay. If you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.